Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a Titan 1500 watt SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill after my previous hammer drill died earlier in the week. It's a substantial unit, absolutely enormous. Coming in at 6.1 kilograms. Didn't look as big on the picture on the website. Let's open it up and have a look inside. Cover. Inside there's a very sturdy box. There's several of this version that you get, and one of them comes with a whole selection of parts. And it was only another £10 above the standard price, so that's the one I've actually gone for. Open packages and have a look at the goodies inside. So it comes with a little safety and operating manual, the unit itself, which is absolutely huge and quite substantial, and I actually want to do some chiseling, so I got the one that came with a series of chisels. But as you can see, it comes with a substantial collection of drills and chisels, which are all really heavy duty, and I'm hoping that they're not like the cheap ones that everybody seems to sell these days. The unit itself, let me get it out of the box, is very heavy. There's various parts, I'm not actually sure what they're for just yet, but I have a job for this. Oh, and in fact it comes with a second chuck as well than the one that's actually on there. Here's the key. I thought it was missing the key, because that would have been a problem. The main chuck on this is a slotted drive system, SDS system, which allows you to slot in and lock in the drills and chisels. It's a very efficient system, as you'll see when I demonstrate the drill. They say it's 1500 watts, it's a substantial beast. I've got some substantial beast work for it to do. It looks about 4 times bigger than my previous drill. With all of the tools, I'm hoping it'll do the job that I want. So if this is as good as it looks, it's going to be really good to work with. After purchasing this, I noticed that there are a number of replicas. I'll put a link in the video description so that you can buy them if you want to, and it'll give a couple of cents to me. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. I'll give you a demonstration of it at work. Please check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.